In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get some CapCut features for free without you having to pay. The first thing we are going to do is go to our CapCut application and we are going to select a new project. New project, select video or photo, and then we are going to go effects. Select effect, video effects, select pro, and here select prefer effect. Okay, we see the check. Press the check. We are to the slice and select screen record. I can do that because I screen record now, and I pause the video for a minute. Just hang on a second. Okay, here touch the button and play. Screen and touch here, and what are you going to do is turn on the screen recording at the top in the menu of your cell phone, and you will automatically be watching your video or your photo in pro mode. Now what we are going to, once recording, is go back and select new project. Here we are select project, in your case other project, and we select the video, and we already record. Once here what we are going to do is trim the edge of the video, and automatically your video will be like a pro. Select video, transform, crop, custom video, this form, select check. Okay, this is all. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget the love if you need any acceleration.